Good day, everyone. My name is Vanessa Senior. I'm from the Montego Main campus. My ID number is 1871812196, and this is my team member.
Yes, good afternoon everyone. I am Tanisha Braham-Forbes and I'm also a member of the Montego College main campus. My ID number is 198-121-3626.
Okay, so today we'll be teaching a set of grade 3 students how to do different number concepts using a place value chart and
Dean's block.
Alright, so these are the different number concepts: multiplication,
Division
addition,
and subtraction.
Alright, so first, let us tell you what the Dean's block means. Alright, so in my hand I have a unit, and a unit represents the ones placed on the place value chart, represents 1. Alright, and we have
10 single units.
Okay, moving on, we have longs, and the longs represents the tens column on the place value chart, and a long is made up of 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And we have 5 of these longs.
Alright, here we have our flat, and our flat on the place value chart is the hundreds place, and a flat is made up of 10 longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And we have 3 of these flats.
3. And then we have finally our cube, and our cube represents the 1,000 place on our place value chart. So first, let us just jump now into the multiplication concept.
Right. So we're going to multiply 2 times 12. Right. If we are going to use any digits, we're going to look at the last number and place it on the ones column.
Alright, so we use the last digit first,
Yes.
which is digit with number 2.
And then we're going to use the first digit in number 12 to go on the tens column. And we're multiplying, so we use the multiplication sign. So we're going to use the 2 now that we are multiplying the 12 by to go under the ones column. So we're going to use the Dean's block to represent these digits.
So 2,
So we have 2 groups of 2. So 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. So we're going to say 2 times 2. So we're going to use 2 groups of 2. So we have 1 group here and 1 group here. So we're going to count these groups to get the answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
so 4 units.
So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Now we're going to multiply the 2 by the 1 in the tens column. So we're going to use a long to represent the 1 in the tens concept. So now we're going to say 2 times 1, which is 10, equals to 20. So we have 2 of the longs to represent the 20. So 2
Times 12 equals to 24.
Right. So now we're going to go to the next concept, which is division. gonna erase the board.
Alright, so we erase the place value chart. And now we're going to do division.
So we have the problem. 9 divided by 3.
So we want to find out how many times 3 can be divided or go into 9. Alright?
So we're going to get
How many groups of 3 can
so we're
we
going to
get
get
from 9?
9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 units here. And we want to get 3 out of the 9. So we are going to group the 3 into 3 different groups to see how much we get.
So right here we have 1, 2, 3.
So we
3
get
groups of 3.
3 different groups of 3.
So that is our answer.
So it's 9
Divided by 3 equals to 3. Okay, so now we're moving on to our third concept, which is addition. And we're going to do addition with 2-digit numbers. Alright? So we have 34 plus 22. So as we said before, 34
is the first digit, the last digit, sorry.
first.
One column, then the first digit in the 10th column.
Alright, and the same for the 22, we place the last digit first.
Then the first digit.
Okay.
And we're adding, so we place our plus sign.
Alright. Now we want to find out Alright, 4 plus 2. Alright, so we're going to use 4 units to represent the digit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and then 2 units to represent the digit 2. 1, 2. Then we're going to count them. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we count them together, we realize that 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Good. And right here, we have 3 plus 2. Okay?
So we're going to use the longs.
So for the tens place, we have 3, 1, 2, 3, which represents 30, and 1, 2, which represents 20. Alright? So right here we have, let us count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5. 50, right? Because we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is our answer. 34 plus 22 equals to 56. Now we're moving on to our final problem. Which is a word problem. Okay? And right here it says there are 924 apples in a tree. Thomas picked 351. How many apples are left? Alright? So first what we're going to do, we're going to identify the biggest or largest number, or the larger, right? So we want the larger number, which is the 924. First we put the 4 in the ones column, because it's the last. Then 2 follows, and then 9 in the hundreds column, right? So 924 take away 300. So we're going to put our take away sign, and we're going to 1 first, 5 next, and 3. We're going to draw our line across, and now we're going to do the workout. All right. So right here I have my flats, and on the flats I have apples, all right, to represent the worded problem. So first now it says 4 take away 1, and we want to find that out. So we're going to use units, all right. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
So we're going to take away 1 from the 4.
So now we're going to take away 1. Alright? So 1 from 4 leaves, count with me, 1, 2, 3. So 4 take away 1 equals
3.
3. Very good. Now we are moving on to the tens place, and right here it says 2 take away 5, but we cannot take away 5 from 2, all right, because if we take away 5 from 2 we will get a negative number. And so what we have to do, we have to go to the hundreds place, and we're going to borrow 1. All right, so we have the 2 there, and we're going to borrow 1. So we're borrowing 1 from 9, so 8 is left, and now we're taking over the 1. Now we have 12.
Yes, we have a new number now, that is 12. So we're going to take 5 from the 12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now how many we need to take away?
5.
5. Very good. So we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let us see how many are left. Right? How many tens are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. So 7 tens are left, which is 70. All right? So we put our 7. Now to our 100 column. All right. Now it says
3 from 8.
Or 8 take away 3. All right. So first we have to count out 8 flats. Remember that the flats represents the hundreds column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now how many are we supposed to take away?
3.
3. Alright, let us take away our 3. 1, 2, 3. So we take away
3.
3. 3. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5
Hundreds.
hundreds are left. Very good. So we put our 5. So remember, Thomas, there were 924 apples in the tree. And Thomas picked 351. How many apples are left in the tree? Let us read. 573 apples are left in the tree. Very good. Clap yourself, children. Good job.
So, okay. Now that we have learned how to use the place value chart, using the place value chart and also the Dean's block with the different concepts.
I'm sure that you boys and girls will be able to do simple problems, right?
Yes.
Very good. So thank you very much, everyone, for listening to our presentation. We trust that it was informative enough. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
And we hope that you have learned something. Thank you very much.
Bye.